Weeknote Chivayo enjoy and stand as President Ruto personally drives him 3 kilometers to his helicopter after engagement of President Ruto's daughter celebration. Kusangana kwa tunaita pana pa YouTube channel yenyu Arayo Networks, where we give you news which is happening around Zimbabwe and around Africa. If you are new here, kindly support us by hitting the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell kuchapatwa post na uizi no kutanga kusangana ni news that tengetaisa. So today, Weeknote Chivayo enjoys extraordinary moment as Kenyans President William Ruto drives him to his helicopter.
Being driven by the President of the Republic, Your Excellency. Being driven by the President of the Republic. God is the greatest.
Muri Zimbabwe wa Weeknote Chivayo weminyika Zimbabwe anowa Zimbabwean businessmen oinjoya mushure mekunge odrivewa na president weku Kenya vachimutakura kubva paicelebrate kwa engagement yemwana wava William Ruto apo paitwa engagement celebration yakaitwa pamusha wa President Ruto. So Weeknote Chivayo anga kudzokera achienda kunokwira helicopter yake kunova ikoko kwakaperekedzwa nemotokari ichidhiraivwa na president zvakaita kuti rigomupa mufaro. So Zimbabweans business Weeknote Chivayo has shared what he described as a memorable and a deeply appreciated moment after Kenyan President William Ruto personally drove him and his wife to their waiting helicopter following a family celebration. The unusual scene took place after the engagement celebration of President Ruto's daughter in Kenya. According to reports, Chivayo was among the high-profile guests who attended the traditional engagement ceremony. As the ceremony came to an end, Chivayo and his wife were preparing to leave the venue and head toward their helicopter. But instead of simply allowing them to be taken to the helipad by security or their official, President William Ruto reportedly took the wheel of a luxurious car and personally drove the couple. The journey was reportedly after 3 kilometers. For Chivayo, the experience appeared to be about much more than transportation. He described the moment as a priceless memory and praised President Ruto for what he regarded as an extraordinary display of humility. A video footage shared online shows Chivayo sitting in the passenger seat where President Ruto drives. The businessman appears visibly surprised and emotional as he records the unusual experience. The moment have since attracted considerable attention online, largely because of the unusual sight of a sitting African president acting as a driver for a private businessman. Chivayo's appearance at the engagement celebration also placed him in the middle of a high-profile gathering involving prominent personality from Kenya and beyond. The engagement ceremonies was for Ruto's daughter and Tanzanian technology entrepreneur Isaiah Yunge, with the traditional event taking place at the Ruto families in Tona Heritage Farm in Kilgoris, Nakoti, a country. For the Chivayos, however, the biggest taking point from the occasion was not the celebration itself, but what happened afterwards. The business appeared particularly impressed that the President Ruto personally took the responsibility of driving him and his wife to their helicopter. He has since praised the Kenyan president for the gesture, describing it as an unforgettable experience. Some viewers have focused on the humility displayed by Ruto, while others have questioned the unusual nature of such a high-profile interactions. muri wezimbabwe ndo zvatauya tikabata ndona uri kuziviswa pamusoro pawawikino Chivayo vachibuda vachinjoya sezvamaona pamufananidzo watakusira pascreen. This is our networks where we give you social commentary, news happening in Zimbabwe, news happening in Africa. Ndidzo nhau dzatauya tikabata.